COVID-19 has fundamentally changed the way we live and redefined the rules of travel. At Radisson Hotels, health, safety, and security worldwide is one of our top priorities. That's why we have thoroughly reviewed all processes and enhanced our procedures, creating an in-depth cleanliness and disinfection safety protocol in partnership with a worldwide leader in health and safety, SGS, to ensure guests' confidence and peace of mind from check-in to check-out. To meet new health and safety challenges, our guidelines include increasing cleaning and disinfection frequency, paying special attention to high-touch points, providing hand sanitizing stations throughout the hotel, using personal protective equipment and protective screens, implementing social distancing measures in public areas, respecting strict food safety procedures, and providing options for contactless, cashless methods of payment to minimize contact. Our safety protocol will be adapted to local requirements and recommendations. Because at Radisson Hotels, we know that even in this new era of travel, in the end, hospitality is about taking care of those around us. Every day, everywhere, every time.